Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming this is an iPad 9th generation and that iPad OS is updated. This avoids unexpected compatibility issues. Once done, pick a primary finger that's clean and dry. Moisture or heavy oils reduce accuracy. Make sure any screen protector does not obstruct the home button. If it does, remove it. Now open Settings, tap Touch ID and passcode, enter your passcode, and select Add a fingerprint to begin the guided scans. Follow the on-screen prompts. Gently rest and lift your finger as instructed to capture the center and edges of the fingerprint. Vary the angle slightly when prompted so the sensor learns different contact points. This improves recognition when you hold the iPad differently. After the first scan completes, repeat for any additional fingers. Register a thumb and an index on your other hand if you switch hands frequently. Make sure the home button and your finger remain clean between scans. Finish by toggling which features use Touch ID. iPad Unlock, Apple Pay, and iTunes and App Store, then test by locking and unlocking and attempting a small purchase. If recognition fails often, clean the home button and your finger, then delete and re-enroll the fingerprint. Sometimes rescanning at slightly different angles fixes persistent misses. If problems persist, restart the iPad and ensure iPad OS is current. Hardware faults are rare, but contact Apple support as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.